Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you Thanksgiving Glam slash 2016 makeup, but with a little bit of 2025 sprinkled on in there, okay? So we're pulling out some OG palettes. We're bringing the full face as always. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me featuring Thanksgiving makeup. And with that said, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's glam. So today I wanted to do a classic Thanksgiving makeup look. This is going to give 2016 vibes. Minus the full cut crease. I'm not going to do all that, okay? We're going modern, but with a little bit of 2016. So I am going to grab my Jaclyn Hill palette. Still love her. She's still going strong. She's probably very well expired, but if my eyes don't burn, we're all right. So grab your palettes, grab your brushes, and let's get into it. I finished off the eyes and I think they look really cute. This is exactly what I had envisioned. The nice brown with a pop of yellow. And then we're going to do green on the lower lash line to tie in like just the Thanksgiving the Thanksgiving inspired look. You know what I mean? Okay, let's move on to the face, shall we? I'm going to use my Sheglam Little Pore No More primer. This one's my current favorite one. I just like to use it right here in the areas where I want to smooth anything out. Which honestly, my skin is back. She's doing really good. I am back on tretinoin. I stopped using it for a few months. And my mom brought me some new tretinoin from Mexico. That's where I get my supplies from. And yeah, it's been awesome. I am starting slow again, doing it once a week, and I'm already seeing amazing results. It's like muscle memory, but for your skin with tretinoin. I love it. For my foundation, I'm going with the Born This Way, or Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Beige. Did you guys go get your turkey already? I have been slacking so much in my life. Like, what is going on with me? I seriously need to get my life together. Like, my upload schedule has been horrible. My sleeping schedule has been horrible. I don't know. There's something in my brain that is just, it's not working, you know? And I need to get my life together because I do not like not being productive and active and doing things. I feel like that's what keeps me sane. So if you guys have any tips on like motivation to just like get yourself out of a rut. Also, I blame the show that I'm currently watching, which is The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives or something like that. I had never heard of that show or had never seen that show, anything, but I recently got Hulu again and it kept popping up. So I was like, you know what? Let me watch it. I'm not a huge reality show girl besides like the Kardashians, but I've been binge watching that show and I don't know, it just feels so like such a comfort show because I am from Utah, so a lot of the cities that they mention, like I'm like, oh my gosh, yeah, been there, you know, and it's low-key a really good show. If you guys have seen it, then you know, I mean, it's just full of drama, you know, and that's as much drama as I can take in my life. Okay, I don't like it in my personal life, but I will watch it on a show. So if you guys have seen it, let me know what you think of it or what show you guys are watching that you're like hooked on, because I'm thinking of watching something after. I think I'm like season 2 or season 3 already on it, which kind of embarrassing, but Oh well, I've been binge watching. What can I say? I'm gonna correct because I do have some makeup appointments today, which is odd on a Wednesday, but hey, whatever. So I definitely want to look very presentable. I want my makeup to look really good. And anytime I use this eye brightening little corrector, my makeup just looks 10 times better. You guys know I can't shut up about this product from Catrice. Truly a game changer for me. I'm also needing some suggestions from y'all. So I need to invest back into my makeup kit. And I am looking for makeup brushes. Ideally, I would want Morphe brushes because those are the ones that I like trust. But do you guys have a preference, or do you guys have a set of brushes that you really like that are on the affordable side? Because I'm thinking of buying a few sets of makeup brushes. I've gone to Ulta and they don't sell the original Morphe brushes anymore. Like all their new Morphe brushes are in this packaging, but I feel like they don't have the old ones like this one. And it kind of sucks. I honestly haven't checked on their website. So let me know, you guys, if you have any suggestions on makeup brushes that are similar to Morphe. Since I color corrected, I don't really feel the need to go in with such a like heavy concealer. So I'm just going to go in with my Loreal Infallible. Honestly, this is such a gem of a product. So full coverage and creamy. It's just perfection. Perfection. What kind of blush should I do with a look like this? I feel like something terracotta. I really want to get that Warm Teddy, I think it's called, by Rhode. I am eyeing that blush. If you guys have it, let me know if it's worth it. I feel like it's a very winter appropriate shade. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go with this combo again, the What's Up a Beauty Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush in the shade Leonides. And look at how pretty it is. It is such a beautiful, true rose with like a little bit of like terracotta undertones. I don't know, but it's really, really pretty. And I like that it's pigmented, but it's not like overly pigmented. Once it blends out, it just blends out really nicely into the cheeks. I've been really enjoying placing my blush right here. I like it. I'm going to try to place it right here next time just to see how it looks. I just feel like different placement of the eyeshadow obviously makes your face look different. So I'm gonna have to like mess around with the blush placement. I'm gonna set everything today. I'm gonna use my One Size powder just because I feel like I've been neglecting her, and she is the queen of powders, okay? I have thousands, okay, not thousands, I have hundreds of powders, but she is the supreme queen. Face is nice and powdered. I've been really enjoying just an overall like matte skin, especially once my skin is like on tretinoin. I feel like it does really good being matte because it's a little dry, but it's not flaky dry. I think I'm gonna do a full video soon on like my tretinoin like journey and exactly what I use that has worked for my skin and tips and tricks and all that, because I've been on it for a little bit over a year now. And I feel like I finally now have it down to a T as to like what products to use, what products to avoid, what products go best with tretinoin, and how to just go through the phase of like flaky skin, dry skin when you are on it, but still having like amazing skin at the same time. So if you guys would be interested in that, let me know and I can film a little video for you guys, because honestly, I think tretinoin has been the best skincare products that I have ever discovered. It is so good and it's just done wonders for my skin. And if you're not wanting to do like Botox or laser or anything like that, I think this product is one that you should definitely consider because it's such a game changer. Let's use a little bit of the Say blush in the shade Ciao, which is a really pretty, like almost like a brick red. That is a good way to describe it, a brick red. Oh, I love this blush so much. Such a perfect color for the winter. Look at that. Let's finish off the eyes. I am going to add green to the lower lash line to, again, just tie in with the festivities. I think yellow, brown, and green are a very traditional Thanksgiving color. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that, add some mascara, and I think that is pretty much the end of today's look. And here is the final look, you guys. This is why I love doing my hair at the very end, because I feel like it really brings out or just pulls everything together. If you guys are wondering, my lip combo, I'm using the Italia Deluxe medium brown lip liner with the Jason Wu Sugar Cookie lipstick. Such a beautiful finish, and then I topped it off with the Fenty Beauty gloss in Fenty Glow. This is literally the perfect nude lip combo to go with any look, and this is your next Thanksgiving makeup. Okay, I hope you guys try it out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.